Hey, what's up guys? We are back with another video. It's been a few weeks. It's time for an update. What's been happening in the world? A lot of crazy stuff, right? Unfortunate events. First it was COVID, now it's all this other action. I hope that every single one of you guys are staying safe. Now that being said, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I roll out the red carpet for you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you're interested in anything Amazon private label related, you've come to the right place. On this channel, you can go back a couple years back and see how I've grown my Amazon business from, 100,000 a month to now over $1 million a month. In today's video though, we're going to talk about how to win. How do you win? I win all the time at Amazon, and I'm going to show you evidence and proof of what winning looks like on Amazon. And then I'm going to give you the keys on how you too can win. Alright? Let me show you right now on my phone a live update of where I'm at in my business on my Amazon sales, okay? So here we are pulling up the app. There it is, right? 1.75 million over the last 30 days. Again, let's refresh it. Yes, that's real. That is real. So a little bit about my business. I have two right-hand assistants, Aurora and Aaron, and then I have one virtual assistant who's over in the Philippines who handles all the social media and also customer service. And I have no investors, nothing. It's just myself. And I've been able to build that over the last almost 4 years, right? From going 0 to 1.7 million a month. That's what winning looks like, all right? That's not even winning. That's what like killing the game looks like. Imagine getting a new video game, and you get such a high score that it breaks the game, all right? That's what I'm trying to accomplish right now on Amazon. But people are always saying like, that's gross sales, man. That is gross sales. We want to know what profit is. What is the profit? And it's important. That's an important question, right? And that's what I'm going to show you right now. All right. And after I show you this, I'm going to show you how I win and how you can win too. Okay. Let's jump into my profit and loss dashboard. And the best profit and loss dashboard there is out there on the online marketplace, Shopkeeper. If you want 2 free months to it, link in the description. Let's jump in. So here we are. Let's go to my dashboard. And right now it is June 3rd, 11:55 p.m. We can see today's sales almost $10,000. Yesterday's sales $17,800. Last 30 days $462,940. That's almost $500,000 profit in the last 30 days. Okay. We can see here my overall growth as a business, right? We can see here December was big, but here's the COVID months. We're still somewhat in COVID. It's letting up, but this last 30 days has been bigger than my last Q4 December. Isn't that crazy? 56,000 units sold and 61,000 units sold. So June is off to another great month already, and it's going to kill it again. Let's see if we can beat that high score of the last 30 days. So those are the numbers, okay? And it's important that you do ask, whatever coach or mentor or future mentor that you're planning on working with, what are you actually doing yourself on Amazon? What are the gross numbers? What is the net profit? Because you as a new Amazon seller or a future Amazon seller, you want to find the best, and then you want to model everything they do, okay? So how do I do it? How do I win? How can you win? How can you model your business, your current one or your future one, like mine? And it's simple. The keys on how to win is focusing on the basics, right? The key fundamentals of a good Amazon business, and not allowing all the other noise to distract you. So what are those key fundamentals? I'm going to tell you real quick. 1, it's finding a good product. 2, it's having the best listing. 3, it's knowing how to advertise right. And then 4, rinse and repeat the process. Okay? That's it. Notice I didn't say here, no mini chat. Notice I didn't say here, no outside of Amazon marketing. Notice I didn't say here, build a Shopify site to build your own brand. I didn't say any of that, right? Because those are the types of things that people get caught up with. They're trying to always find, like, what's the newest hack? What's the newest this? While I stay focused on those 4 key fundamentals. Product research, a great product, the best listing possible, advertising it well with PPC, and then rinse and repeating the process over and over again. That's it. That's it. So look throughout your day, right? If you're an Amazon business owner, what are you spending your time on? Are you spending your time cruising through Facebook groups? Are you subscribed to like 20 different YouTubers who talk about Amazon? What are you spending your time on? If it's not one of those 4 things, then your business could be doing a lot better. You'll notice me, I don't put out a YouTube video every other day. It's because I'm working on my business. And the fruit of that is evident when I show you those sales, like on my phone, okay? So today, or this week that's coming up, make it a goal for yourself to really think about, how am I using my time? And when I narrow those things down, is it on those 4 things? Product research, making the best listing, advertising well, and then rinse and repeating the process. If you're focusing a ton of time on socializing in Amazon FBA groups, if you're spending a ton of time on YouTube videos in regards to Amazon, that means you're not spending time in your business. All right? Spend time in your business. Become a master at those 4 key things. That's what I've mastered. I haven't mastered mini chat and all these other things because it's not necessary. These other things, mini chat or, outside of Amazon marketing, all these types of things, they're like supplemental things to the foundational core pillars of what builds a strong castle like Amazon business. I think about people who go to the gym, right? A lot of new people who go to the gym, what do they think? They're like, I'm going to hit it hard. I'm going to go to GNC. I'm going to go to the supplement shop, and I'm going to talk to the guy there who's usually, really swole, and I'm going to say, yes, so I'm going to work out. I want to build some muscle. I want to lean out. What supplements here? He's going to be like, okay, so this is what you need, all right? You need a high-grade protein, all right? Whey protein isolate. And you need a pre-workout, right? You need to get amped for the gym. You need a solid creatine, right? And it takes a while, a loading phase for your muscles, all right? Then you're going to need some BCAAs, some solid recovery, right? And he's going to go on and on, and you're going to be like, man, I'm going to get so swole. You pick up those things, you have hope in that bag, right? When you're walking out of GSC, that is hope in that bag that you just paid a bunch of money for. You go home, you get out of your scoopers, and you start plowing down. And guess what? You realize that those aren't the core things. And maybe it has taken you a while to realize that, but anybody who's had any success in the gym realizes that those things are what? Supplements for the key things. And what are those key things? Similar to your Amazon business, the key things with working out is having a good routine and working super hard at it. And the second thing is putting the right nutrients into your body. You do those 2 things and you sleep well, you're going to have more success than the guy who has all the supplements in the world, okay? Take that same principle, apply it to your Amazon business. Remember, what does winning look like? Winning looks like this. 1.75 million in the last 30 days. That's what winning looks like. You can win too. If you're interested in learning more from myself to be your coach, there's a link down in the description. We'd love to have you. Anyways, you guys, see you in the next video.